short sleeve shirt. You're wearing one, that's fine.
Wow.
Zachary, tell me something.
And me too.
Zachary, say it again.
And me will like me.
You're wearing a short sleeve shirt too. Yeah.
But
Me too.
Zachary,
This is
what's
his
something
too.
Leather Bear can wear?
Baseball hat.
A baseball hat. Lily,
Good job, Zachary.
good job, dude. Lily, what's one thing Leather Bear can wear?
gloves.
Love, it's not winter, girlfriend. Roz,
No.
winter. What can Leather Bear wear?
Hat.
He's got a hat, Lily.
Go.
A coat, yes. Xavier, what's one more thing?
A coat.
Shoes, yes, shoes.
Yeah.
Is Weather Bear ready to go outside and play?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure is, friend.
Mario.
I see Mario on your pants, sir. All right, hands up, friend. Give me a hand at your head. Today is a great day to be a South Lebanon Falcon.
Yeah.
I will strive for success. I will own my passion. I will accept I will respect people and property. Together as Falcons, we will soar. Good job. Boys and girls, give yourselves a hand.
Good job.
Good job. I hope to see all of you back here tomorrow at 9:30 for morning meeting, okay?
Not at 9:30, 10:30.
Tomorrow at 9:30.
Tomorrow is 10:30.
Mrs. Matillo has a meeting tomorrow for Zachary at 9:30. Okay? So I'll see you back at 10:30 tomorrow morning.
Maybe we'll, like really,
Thumbs up. Good job, Xavier.
so, when an enemy do, when we can follow my puppy.
Oh, do you want to show your puppy, Cody?
Yeah.
Show your puppy, Cody. Let's see him.
See you, Lily.
Fluffy up there right now.
Oh,
What are you doing?
he's upstairs right now.
He's upstairs right now.
But my cat is down here.
Lily, what you doing, babe?
Oh, she up there too.
Yeah, I saw her go up earlier.
I want to follow my friend Mary. I think you can just do my love.
I like your hair, Lily.
What? Yeah.
Here comes Cody's
Great.
puppy.
Oh, look.
There she is.
Oh, there's the puppy.
That's Cody's puppy. Aww.
What's her name, Cody?
Mary.
What?
Oh,
She did. She was sleeping. What's your puppy's name, Cody?
Mary.
Midge.
Cool.
He just saw terrible and a fit one.
He's a fox terrier and a shih tzu.
Oh, happy.
Midge. Do you see it, Lily? Cute.
See, Lily, do you
Oh.
see Cody's puppy?
The tank.
Yeah. Kind of looks like a tank, huh?
Yeah. See, but a little of the one.
Mhm.
There.
Yeah, she was the runt of the litter. Yep.
Aw.
That can happen.
Aw.
Give kisses to me.
Yeah.
Say, Midgie just woke up.
Yeah. Oh.
Super cute.
It's cute.
Hello.
What are you showing us?
Okay, can see.
What can we see? What are we looking at?
Happy?
Yeah.
I think Lily's trying to show.
What?
You can't see your face. What are you doing?
Whoa.
I think she's trying to show us something.
Yeah.
What are you showing us?
See?
Huh?
What are you trying to show them? The ceiling.
Yeah.
That's what we see.
Lily, how's your baby brother? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can see.
Actually, how's Milkshake?
Good.
Yes. Are you still doing chores and feeding her carrots?
Yeah.
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 And what does his father?
Not apple dinner.
What was
You feeding your apples too?
Yeah.
Awesome.
like his son Mary? He doesn't like Mary.
Yeah, the cat and the dog get along.
Oh.
No. He
Lots
doesn't.
of learning from Rocky and Cody.
Right?
Our dog chases our cats, Cody. All over the house.
And upstairs.
Dave, is there anything you wanted to show us? We haven't seen you in so long, my fan. Xavier,
Yeah, look at my dog.
Xavier, show your friends.
Can we see?
Friends, look, Xavier's up. Look at that.
What is like, what is, what?
Aw.
Xavier.
Like how many?
How many? Xavier, come
Okay,
here.
that's nice.
Xavier,
Good.
how many?
Here we come. Look at the hurt. Bye-bye. A one. Can your mommy open my... How many money did we give you? I think the bird and I think I'm being well one.
I can only imagine when they see each other for the first time.
And, I don't know what I was just thinking that what's going on in the little heads.
I'm excited.
It's fun to see your friends.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Xavier, did you say mommy pulled your tooth?
That's what I thought he said.
It's okay. My dad pulled a lot of my teeth too.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad did.
My dad. And now my and not my and Duff 2 came out. Not my other one. Duff 2.
See you at the top.
Two fairies.
Two fairy flies.
Yeah.
Very wise. You said it up money.
With the bird.
Very cool. Are you gonna go shopping with your money when you can go to the store?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you gonna get? Are you gonna get a Mario?
Yep. Oh, I have a Mario.
You're gonna have a Mario?
Yeah, I have like this.
A big one. Whoa.
Dad?
You're going to take them upstairs.
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah.
To show them.
Lily's taking us upstairs.
I want to put the upstairs.
Careful.
Where's Lily going?
Where's he
He
going?
wants to show us something.
The pink.
What's pink? Show me. What's pink?
This one. The
Whoa.
owl.
Oh, an owl is pink. You have a pink owl in your room?
Oh, well,
See,
let's count.
I see fish.
Lily, do you have fish in your bedroom?
Yeah.
Show us your fish. Move your head.
I see.
She's like, okay.
Yeah, see a fish.
There's your fish.
There they
Look
are.
at that fish. Betta fish.
And
Lily,
one and Luffy and Candy are one of my best friends, and Papa and Iva are one of my best friends too.
very
And I have one more thing to tell you. Deva already was in the spirit. We already was. We finally found a friend for her.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
They're so strong. I think it's here. An owl.
Daddy's
Well,
so
you're
strong.
strong too.
Are you
Xavier.
strong? Everybody
see
show me your muscles. Everybody show me
Right.
your muscles.
He said his daddy's really strong.
Strong, yes.
They wake you
play games in the Bye Guys.
Oh, you like to play games?
And then Wednesday when Grandma was taking me home, if next day if Grandma's birthday, Grandma Bonnie.
Friday.
When is her birthday?
Friday.
When's Grandma Bonnie's birthday?
Next day,
Friday. 2 days. Oh, that's my daughter's birthday's on Friday too.
Her card.
Oh, that is why.
Danielle's birthday's on Friday too.
and when Grandma coming home, I said there were motorcycle and I said in the front of the White House has balloons, but in the other, but when the other side came,
I like your sparkling lights, Lillian.
Wow, Lily, that's awesome.
Maybe
Is that in your bedroom?
like this.
Look at party lights.
Wow.
That's awesome, Lil.
There you go.
Oh, Lily.
Your prize.
Did not see that, Lily.
the two.
You lost the tooth too.
Yeah.
Oh man,
Whoa.
you're not gonna be able to eat corn this summer, Lil.
Uh-oh.
Yucky.
It's our other front tooth.
Yeah.
Hey, here, are you gonna be able to eat corn on the cob? Yeah.
I have my home.
You have to.
Owl friend.
Is it good to see friends?
2, there's 0, there's 2. Wow.
Owl.
Owl. Hi, Mrs. Carpenter. Hey,
Hi.
Gang's all here.
Hello.
Okay.
Wow.
We have a bunch of them today.
Wow, yay.
8.
I know.
There's 8 friends.
Everybody say hi, Mrs. Carpenter.
Hi, Mrs. Cooper.
Hey, everybody. It's good to see you. There was
There's
lots
a
of
thing up
language
there.
happening. Lots of language.
Yes.
I love it. Good, 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 good.
Yeah.
There's a weather somewhere down there.
There's what?
There's 1, 2, 3 from there to back to here.
Hi.
Gotcha. Hi.
There's 1 and there's
Can only see her.
here, come
Let me
here.
show us our cool bedroom.
Get
I
her
have
light.
a foot. I play game with Dad.
You play
Come here.
computer? You did?
Yeah, I play game with come here.
Very cool. Very cool, Lily. I see your doggy.
Oh my word.
Zachary, do you have anything you want to show us? Cody showed us
Yep.
the dog. Lost a bunch of teeth. Who did? Xavier lost teeth.
Xavier lost a bunch of teeth.
Oh my goodness. Check it out. That's
Oh
awesome.
yeah, I did. Please.
Zachary, what happened here?
Very well.
You fell on your bike?
No, on deck.
On the deck.
Deck. Ouch, man. Hey, at
Oh,
least you're outside. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, on my bag too.
On your bike too.
No,
Alright.
on what?
Down his belly too, he said.
Zachary, ouch.
What?
Scratches on his belly, he said.
Yeah. Ouch, kiddo.
There's a cross in my belly. My belly is crossing.
I know, it's just fun. I'm so happy to see them all.
Can I just say, this is what my group sounds like when I do group, and now I feel at home. This one-on-one stuff is lost.
I know.
Hi.
Aw.
Hi.
Hi, Maddie.
Dad.
That's Lily's
Lily's sister, Maddie.
Yeah.
My Ava is here.
I like her hairdo.
Ava has a after Zachary or Xavier.
Yeah,
Yep.
I have Gio. He's have here.
He has black hair.